Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Instagram Reels assets into Premiere Pro workflow, full guide step by step clearly. To download Instagram Reels assets for your Premiere Pro workflow, start by opening your Instagram app. Navigate to the Reels section and find the specific reel you want to download. Tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the post. Select the copy link option to save the URL of the reel. Next, open your web browser and search for an Instagram video downloader. Choose a reliable downloader site that is known for extracting Instagram Reels. Paste the copied link into the downloader's input field. Click the download button to fetch the video file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to import the reel. Go to the File menu and select Import. Navigate to the folder where you saved the download. Select the video file and click Open to import it into your project. Once the reel is in the project panel, drag it onto your timeline. You can now edit, trim, or add effects to the reel as needed. If you require audio, ensure that you properly sync it within your timeline. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid any loss of work. After editing, you can proceed to export your finished video. Choose your preferred export settings and finalize the project. Your Instagram reel is now ready to share or use as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.